Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and I want to show you how to remove magnification to this device. Open Settings application. In it, look for your accessibility and there we tap on our vision, where we have our magnification shortcut there, and we must turn on it by switch on, and we have must choose our model to activate it. We can maybe set our tap accessibility button and we get button to our magnification. We tap on it and we open our magnification. To change position of it, use two fingers and swipe with it on screen. But when you use only one, you can go up and down in your magnification. But to zoom on or zoom out, you can make this feature. To turn off, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.